Hi everybody, this is Deb. Okay, I'm back with the final product. This is what the front looks like of the book. What I did here, these are Sizzix Tim Holtz words, which is this pack. It's called Friend Thinlits, and I used the hello and the friend, and I cut them out 3 times, twice in light pink and once in dark pink paper, and I layered them light, dark, light to give it a little contrast. Glued them together and popped them onto, I just manually cut out these sort of banner pieces, and then I put stickles, which I already put away. I think it was the diamond stickles over both words, and I put 2 dots of gem. These they're from they're on my table here somewhere. I don't have too many left because I used them in Andrea's also. They're from Hobby Lobby. That's what I have left, and they're just gemstones. I actually would like to get more of them because I like the color. I put these big flowers on, and they are, I think I showed in a previous video, those are from this pack, which is, Petaloo Darjeeling flowers and the blues, and I just picked 3 out that I liked. And that's about it on the front, other than I already talked about the ribbon here. Sorry, I have glue strings. And I did make one little kind of goof up. I forgot to put the ribbon under the paper before I put it down. So this is just tied loosely with ribbon and can be removed. And then when you open up the first 2 pages, I have the dress form page. I put some ribbon up here, which is out of this pack, which I'm pretty sure I got it, there, you can see it better. Pretty sure I got it Joann's, actually, instead of Michael's. These are Dollar Tree stickers, but they were gifted to me by Elizabeth Perez a while ago. She gave me 2 packs of them, actually. This is a little pink button out of this jar, which is 28 Lilac Lane. And then I put a little pretty posy center in, petite posy, excuse me, by Queen & Company in the middle of that. And that I got at Joann's online in November. And then I have some tags and other things in there. This side I did a side pocket. And this was a shape on the paper, and I just cut it out that way. And then in it, and also underneath it, there's a pink doily, and I put a sticker on that just says "For You." These are out of this box, which was from Oriental Trading Company. How about that? I'll have to see if they have more of them, because I kind of like them. It contained tags and also like vintage looking dictionary papers and stuff, and the twine too, so I really like those. I've been using them up. Anyway, I took Distress Oxide, and I used my finger dauber thing and daubered dabbed the first 2. I didn't do anything to the back on any of these, and this one I just went around the edges, so Kathy can use them for whatever she wants. And I gifted her some of the buttons out of the 28 Lilac Lane. Just, Kathy, if you're watching this, be really careful, because some of these pockets, the paper is thinner than some cardstock, so you just have to be careful you don't tear it. I see I had to put a little dab of glue there. Then you open it up, and you've got the butterfly page. I had a little trouble deciding what to do here, because I I love that page, and I hate to cover up the butterflies too much, but here I just put a sticker, "You are wonderful." This pocket was, I had won a Win on Wednesday with Happy Crafter Lisa Goss a while back, and I forgot I had them actually. I have a whole envelope of little pockets. So, this is one, excuse me, I'm yawning. And I just put some washi on that is out of this Recollections too. This is really one of my favorite washi tubes. I wish they would name them, because they don't. They just have numbers. 496410 is the item number on the top of the barcode. This is the washi that I used, and I just doubled it over front and back because the paper on them was sort of, when I folded it, was not real sturdy either. Anyway, I put 2 more of those little petite posies on, and there's some doilies in there, and this sticker is Recollections out of this pack, which are really pretty, like postage stamp kind of things. Then over here, some of these word stickers, and anyway, let me just show you before I go further. This is K & Company, and it's part of the Susan Wingate collections that I got at Joann's. The paper. And I love the paper so much, I got everything to go with it that I could. So this next thing is these long strips up on top here. The words here and here and other places are out of here. There's later on you'll see some ephemera, and also one of these acetate frames, and I'll show that to you when we get to it. There are also some of these puffy butterflies that are sparkly, called pillow stickers, but they're all the Susan Wingate. And then there's also layered accents, they call them. You can't see the pictures on them, but they're in there. Well, actually I have another pack of them. Oh no, wait, I don't. Yes I do. They're like this. So I crossed my collections here a bit and used some of them because the Teesdale collection doesn't come with cutouts or anything. So anyway, on this side I did use one of those long strips and cut it. Here's a sticker. It says "Each moment is a gift." This was part of those layered accents. I made a little paper clip. It's blue on one side and pink on the other. This tag is the last one I had in a set, and I don't remember. I can't remember where I got them. It was one of the big box stores, and it came in a pack of like 3. Just says "Cheers," and there's a tag in it. But you could take that out and put a gift card or something in. I gifted her some of these crocheted doily type thing, and they're called, they're from Paper Studio. They're called Poppies and Papery Embellishment White Crochet Flower. So that's those. And also, I don't remember, these are from Offray, these little pink flowers, and these were my last 2 I have left, so I'm gifting those to her. And this is for Kathy's card. She won second prize in my 500 subby challenge. Then we'll open it up this way. Here I didn't really do too much. This is one of the acetate pieces that I glued down, and I hope it stays, because hot glue on acetate doesn't really work too good. This says "Love is in the details." This says "Choose joy." I have a little bit of this with this thinner pink washi in the middle there, going down the side over here, and then this is one of the ephemera sticker pieces. And then underneath there, this is just a mat for journaling or whatever, and some other washi that says always be kind, stay humble. And then down here I have some washi also out of that too, but it's the white and teal. Here I have a piece of the paper out of the collection. I put a sticker on, it says once in a lifetime. It's got 3 of the pillow butterflies. And I used this Martha Stewart edge punch here to edge the base paper first. Then I cut this strip so that it would fit. Actually, I had this strip and I made the other piece go around it. But what I did is I glued that about ½ inch under the tablet, 1/4 inch up the top, glued them together and glued it down. And then this tablet is put down with these Scotch Create. I have to get more of these, I'm almost out. Reusable mini squares. And they're supposed to be restickable, so hopefully if you need to replace the tablet you can, Kathy. So yeah, or if you just want to put something else here, you can take the tablet out and use it for something else. So that's that one. And over here I did a side pocket. This sort of eyelash trim is out of that same out of this packet. And I just put it around the edge of the pocket and gifted her the rest of it, as well as a whole nother set of trim that I didn't use, but that was out of this pocket. Also pink with gold. And then I put a bird in a nest sticker on. And these little blue flowers are by Prima. And there's 80 in a pack. They look like that. They're called, I don't know, Isla, item 588502. So I guess like island colors. So that's it on that page. Then we open it up here and I have a little tea theme pocket. This is a gusseted pocket. I've got tea bags in there. Let me take these out. I have a half doily. I stamped out "Your kindness warms my heart," because Kathy is such a kind, giving person. It's just, she's a wonderful being. And I did go around the edges of that with the spun sugar. I was really having trouble tonight with all the inks I was using bleeding into the paper. I don't know what it was. Anyway, this teapot was part of, oh goodness me, a different pack of, it's a recollections piece. It came in this pack. It's called Spring Dream Die Cut Shapes, and they all just came out of the pack except for a few. But anyway, that teapot came out of there. And then since I was talking about warms my heart, I punched out a Martha Stewart heart with this punch. And then I have these little heart buttons from Target from last year. I would like to get more of them too, but I don't know if they carry them anymore. Anyway, I put a little bit of Eslon thread. One second. I have such a mess here, guys. Eslon thread, and it was this color, oops, up here. And this is their spring mix, they called it. Now, I got this like 2 or 3 years ago. It's a pack of 12 Eslon threads. So I don't know if that's still available or not. This piece here was gifted to me in my second ever pocket letter exchange last year with her name is Lori. She doesn't do videos anymore. I think she has a health issue that prevents her from doing a whole lot of crafting. So anyway, which is a shame because she does beautiful work. She's so talented. And I'll find her name and link it below. Anyway, this little wooden piece is out of this, and they gave me, oh, this one is Tea Party, yes. It's called Wooden Flourish Pack. I believe I got them from Joann's online. They're by Kaisercraft. I kind of went hog wild a couple months ago and bought up a lot of these. So I am gifting Kathy one of each of those as well. There's like a wooden lace doily, a teapot, a cupcake, a teacup, and something else. Oh, and words that say forever, forever friends. So that is going in this pocket. If I can get them back in. And just 2 tea bags that I have. And then I think this is the last one. This one here. Let me close this up a little bit just so we can see this. This one here. This is a piece of the base paper. This is one of the frames out of the K & Company Susan Wingate collection. I love the little bird and the nest inside like a glass jar, dome jar, and a little butterfly on it and a postage stamp. I put this down with those reusable squares so it can be removed. The piece in here is a piece of ephemera, which I can't remember. I think I got that out of that Recollections pack also. It says the best things in life just happen. It comes out, and this can come off and be reused or not, whichever you want to do, but this can come out. You can journal on the back or put a picture in there or whatever you want to do. And then this flips up, and I didn't put any other flip ups. This is just a sticker from K & Company, Simply the Best, with a little hummingbird, and then this bird with the postage stamps on it as well. So you can just cover that with a picture or a journal or whatever you want to do. And then I think I already showed you this one with the trims. Yes, I think I have one more. Oh no, I showed that to you already. So I think that's it, guys. I hope that Kathy likes it. I really like how it turned out. I will put my handmade stamp thing on the back. I didn't do that yet. But other than that, it is now complete. And her package is going in the mail finally. So sorry it's late, Kathy. I know you said take my time, but I had to get it off my plate, and I really wanted to, I felt bad not getting it out yet. And Andrea's went out a couple days ago, so yours is going out tomorrow, which actually will be Thursday. Then I don't know what anymore. I lost track of time. So there you have it. This is her thing I made for her, in addition to the second place prize. And Kathy, it's probably going to come in a big envelope instead of a small flat rate box, because I don't think I can fit everything in the little box. But it'll be coming to you soon. Hope you like it. Alright guys, that's it. I'm got to clean up this mess and get some rest. I'm tired. It's late. And I have a busy day ahead of me tomorrow. So anyway, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks to all my subscribers for being part of my channel. You keep me going. Alright guys, bye bye.